In this video, guys, we are going to start navigating 7.1. So, in 7.1 or the entire transactions in 7 class involves us to navigate mga inventory transactions, no? Because in inventory is very important part of ERP, no? Because we want to protect our assets that we have. So, by having a control system wherein we know the movements of our items, no? All the items that we receive, that we transfer or we issue, no, are accounted for. So we need this kind of control, no? And there, of course, if our organization grows bigger, so it's difficult to navigate and locate all our inventory. That's why we utilize ERP, no? So in 7.1, it starts with adding a warehouse, no? So I will teach you on how we are going to add a warehouse. So we go to admin, set up inventory, and define warehouses. So we go to admin, set up inventory, and define warehouse. So, anong sabi? WH lang ata to. WH branch and preferred location. WH main 01. Tagum warehouse. Ayan. Street is mm, ah Waling-Waling. Barangay Mankilam. Ayan. And then add. Yan, successful. So that's our 7.1 screenshot. Now, 7.2 is issuance, receipt of mga items. So you go to inventory transaction item receipt. So inventory transaction item receipt. So we find our item. Example. Wait lang. Well, and 17. Okay, so save. That's item receipt and then successful. So 7.2, butang dai nato ni siya sa notes nga part di ay guys. So I forgot. Diri as a notes. So the item is received because of a freebies. Okay. So update na to. Yan, so successful. Okay, so 7.2, 7.3 the same lang. 7.3 issuance. So nag-issue ta because warehouse theft. So the same yapon inventory transaction and issuance. Utang na to diri ang notes, no? Para di na to makalimtan. So pila daw? 10 and 14. Hmm. Again, na-click. 10 and 14. Okay, save. And then, pareha lang ang 7.5, 7.6. So, transfer. So, inventory, transaction, and transfer. So, di ba kaganina nag-create ta og warehouse? So, we are going to transfer the warehouse, the item. So, this is our main. Okay, ang ano sa na to be? Item. Warehouse lagi. Nya di man mo pa-click. Ayan. Main and then find the item code. Yung sad magpa-click ni. Ano bang problema niya? Wait lang. So, keyboard is pila to? 10. So, diri guys, the warehouse is katong warehouse nga ato ang gi-select kaganina. So, the warehouse is akong gi-delete. Yung buhaton ha, i-delete diri and then you search. Okay, katong gibuhat na to kaganina nga warehouse. So, this one man to. Tagong warehouse. Ayan. And then add. So, meaning from main na source, gi-transfer na to ning item into main 01. Okay? And then, another na pod. Unsa ganito? Ayan. Mo man ni akong mga items. So, i-backspace ha para magawas tong other ano. And then katong warehouse nga atong gibuhat kaganina sa 7.1 and then 10 items. So kumpletuhon ninyo ha 1 2 3 4 5. And then click save. Okay, successful. That's 7.6. Okay? And then next, dirian na ta sa 8.1. So sa 8.1 is production process adding ay item. So adding and master data lang ni siya guys. Pero pila siya kabuok? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Ka-items. Pero ang catch here is that sa production, no, we are going to add an item master data na siya finished good. So, for example, FG00 main, for example, the finished good is apple pie. No, example lang, apple pie. Now, unsa ang components to produce this apple pie, no? So, we put here, for example, apples, of course. Component 2 is flour. And then component 3 is, let's say, mm, brown sugar. Ayan. So, we are going to add all these items. So, you go to inventory items, FG00 main, apple pie. Category items, merchandise inventory. Walay price. That's it. So that's your screenshot number 1. Screenshot number 2, RM00 branch A. So make tag new. RM00 main A. Let's say Apple. Same gihapon. And then base pay, desired amount, 500. Ayan, save, add. Okay, so that's screenshot number 2. Screenshot number 3, RM00B. So, kay tag new, RM00 main B. So, what are the other components? Uh, 1 kilo flour. Example lang, items, merchandise inventory, butang na to, 1,000 base price. Okay, that's screenshot number 3. And then last screenshot, RM, sugar, brown sugar. Mahal ba ya ang ano no? Sugar? Ito na to 900. Ayan. And then save. Okay? So that's it. That's 8.1. No, so I sent you a list, guys, of all the activities that are included in our workbook. So if it is not included, there's no need to uh, print it, no, as your final requirement. So whichever is the content of this video and the content of the list, no, or that I've given you, mo lang to ang i-follow. Okay? So that ends our discussion and navigation of ERP. So my purpose is that in all uh, workbook parts of the workbook is ma-experience lang natin, no, considering that we have um limited time, no, so at least that we were able to answer ones, the 2.1, the 3.1, the 3. The 4.1, 5.1, 6.1, 7s, and 8, no, so all contents na nagawa natin ng activity, although hindi natin natapos the entire workbook, but at least that in each part of it, no, we were able to experience and navigate the content. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from all these activities, and I am expecting your final requirements, no, after uh the exam. Okay, so thank you everyone, and bye bye.